Next contestant, Mother Comfort. Madam, stay here now. What do you find here? I want to see you. I want to see you here. Stay here. Oh yeah, turn around. Turn around. I don't know how they bring all these kind of people. Wait. Who be your fashion plug?
My fashion plug?
Yes.
Look at me.
Who they say all these are banana for you?
He just a little with a bag.
Bagwe na ide iye Solomon like you eh
matter
iye wa gogo iye gog you
I be your friend so perfect girl
for your eye you fine
I too gege
you know fit go this party
you say wetin I be never
okay now you want Jordan
look where
madam go change if you get another cloth I'll give you another chance to change
my money
don't waste your time next madam go change if you get another cloth if I close my book you don't you
okay go change
good next stay ba then stay well na you dey catch work o
you ma una here don let me fit go
no be me judge you wan judge the thing
oh yeah judge am
oh yeah waka me I see
how do I look
turn around who said this one for you
my customer na mama solo for Ibagwe oba na dupo it no fashion yes o
like this one e no fit qualify you to enter that place
look my shoe
madam no be shoe we dey talk you for your eye if they say person wey know person wey like person then they tell am say mouth dey smell all these things wey you don wear since they no follow
I put my heavy dressing
e no go
the color dey
na
dey go
I judge eba I go leave am make you judge am by yourself o wetin go happen I will give you opportunity I will just help you you understand because I dey help people let me help your life let me link you to my fashion plug person wey I dey buy cloth from na Lady Nancy Fashion Home yes ukmonovioku webo the clothes wey she bring for me na dey wear go party may I give you one
may you give me one
yes next
okay thank you I dey come again
move
now I wait for you
move
I hear o ọmọ ìgbà yìí ọmọ ìgbà yìí
madam we happy
ide
next
Lady Nancy Osamu Diame Oseni mena yeramo Ama enieni na ma eya
my people how una see am Mother Comfort no fine like this now now tell my people now who be your fashion plug
Mama Tafia God go bless you
amen
Mama Tafia who dey gossip you no get work Etafia
J
Lady Nancy Fashion Home for today go
yes
Lady Nancy Fashion Home is my plug
okay
God go bless Madam Tafia well say
Lady Nancy Fashion Home na im dey bring all this cloth wey I wear so na she bring am this one so when Mother Comfort wear don put your man make dem dey see you well oya
the whole abodabidi wey I wear since that my brother customer mama solo keep the rabo you know okay mama meet am right now I'm now sexy
yes na
Lady Nancy Fashion Home ogaku
na be our fashion
after you na
you turn around if you wear this kind one now all those people wey come from abroad now una dey
make together say party
if you just wear that one wey you wear those abananya na just look you don dey do na you dey laugh o
na people if you go party people dey draw nose
na you dey laugh
wa re sabre wulone you no gege
at all
if you wan gege for party for occasion
don't patronize
Lady Nancy Fashion Home she is the best
yes now you can enter the party
Lady Nancy Fashion Home well say.